What if deploying Chromebooks didn't drain your time or brain power? Let's be honest, IT teams are tired. Tired of enrolling devices one by one. Tired of burning hours on repetitive tasks. Tired of using cobbled-together DIY solutions. And especially tired of paying $10 to $15 per device for white-glove services. It's time for something better. That's why we combined two trusted, time-saving tools, the Open6 Charging Station and the GoBox Chrome, into one seamless powerhouse. Introducing the Open6 Charging Station, automated by GoBox, the ultimate all-in-one solution for Chromebook charging, deployment, and maintenance. Fleet management now on autopilot. Here's how it works. Charge and automate up to 6 devices at once per station. Manage deployments, repairs, and end-of-year refreshes with ease. Use one cable per device for both power and provisioning. Featuring a quick, one-time dashboard setup. Simply select from ready-made templates to enroll any Chrome OS, or build your own. Then plug in your Chromebooks, step back, and let the automation do the work. Say goodbye to outdated alternatives that require constant hand-holding. It's time to unlock a break from the burnout of button pushing. No coding needed to get started. Hours, even days back in your schedule. Smarter budget spending and savings. A better workflow, a happier team, and a bigger impact. No AC adapters, no software or drivers to install. Just plug, run, and done. Switch to easy mode with JAR systems today.